Okay, so now we will install VirtualBox on our Windows 10 PC. We are running as a user admin, as administrative rights, not as a normal user. So run as administrator. We get this box to permit installation. Continue then next. We choose all settings. File association, yes. No shortcut in quick launch on the desktop, and a menu entry. Yes, that will interrupt the network just during installation. Yes. Yes, you may install. Don't start, because we were running it as administrator, so now we're back to being just the admin. Now we start the program. Okay, the thing I want to do first is under preferences, stop this update. You can have it maybe once a month on stable release. Language, display, network, extension. Yes, we want to install the extension. The advantage of the extension is basically that you can use the USB in USB 2.0 and USB 3.0. The other functions I actually never use them. If you're not connecting USB devices to it, you can skip installing the VirtualBox extension pack. It comes with a strange evaluation and personal license. This is how Oracle calls it, or called it in the past. I hope it didn't change it. It basically says that you can evaluate the program, and if you're using it in a commercial environment, you should pay money for it. But if you just install it for yourself, that's the personal part, you can use it even in a commercial environment. Okay, so you cannot install it for a friend, then it's an evaluation version. But if you tell your friend how to install it, he is using it for himself personally, he can use it for free. A little bit weird. Okay, so now we have VirtualBox installed. That's simple.